Hey guys, it's Joe, and I'm here to show you what a piece of shit the camcorder I used for my videos, or for my first videos, really is. I'm going to be demonstrating with a Kodak 2 gig memory card that actually used to work for me on anything. Now keep in mind this memory card is empty. The reason I'm showing you what a piece of shit it is because whenever I have a memory card in here, it says it's fucking full. Even if I didn't record anything. I'm going to show you without the memory card. Works fine, right? It's working fine. Even has some time left on it. 29 seconds, and the setting it's on is how much memory, is how much you can record with the smaller frame setting, I guess. But insert a memory card. Wrong side. Does that. Now, I shouldn't do that welcome thing for more than the time of the sound. And look, it's saying full. Either that or a memory card error. Which, the memory card's fine, let me tell you. I put it in my DSi. Worked great. Okay, it says SD card error. But how do we know that doesn't really mean it's full? That just means you're a piece of fucking shit. I tried to record a video on this earlier, but I said deck, as in deck profile. For those of you that know what I'm talking about, it stopped recording. I think it thought I said dick, and it's programmed to stop a video that's set when a cuss word is said or anything, and then call it a bad fucking file. This thing is a piece of shit. So yeah, don't get a Polaroid digital camcorder. That's what this is. If you haven't seen already. At least from my experience, it's a piece of shit now. I started doing this 3 years ago. Actually, it was working for 1 year and then started doing it 3 years ago. It's a piece of shit. Actually, coming up to 4 years, actually. I had this for 5 years. So, yeah. Don't buy Polaroid's camcorders. They suck. At least from my experience. At least this exact one. Could have a different paint, whatever. Don't get it. Bye.